how to link slides in Google Slides. Now, by this, what you mean is that let's say there is a content section where maybe if you select a certain, maybe the part of the slide, then you want it to go to a certain page of the slide, right? Which means you want to link other slides to this could be an image or this could be a text. For example, let's say whenever I click this end page, maybe I want to be redirected to the very end of the slide, right? So I'll just come back to this slide. I will select that particular text or the picture, whatever else it is, right click on it and click on the option called link. Now you can also use the control key shortcut right there, and when you select that, you'll find this option called slides in this presentation. Once we select that, we want it to navigate to the end slide. So the end slide in my case is slide number 10. So I'll go ahead and simply select slide 10 right here, right? Now whenever I click on this particular thing, then I'll be redirected to the end of my slide, just like this. So this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically link slides on Google Slides. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in our next video.